Okay, solving Rubik's Cube is pretty easy, or relatively so. Here, watch, I'll do it in 5 seconds. There. Yeah. So, once you, get that good, you can do one of a few things. You can try to improve your time, which for me, I don't know. But you can also try to solve it differently. Here's what I mean by that. There are a few ways you can do that. The first thing you can do is pick two faces. I'm going to do orange and yellow, and then mess it up by only turning those two faces, and then try to solve it by also only turning those two faces. It's quite a good challenge if you don't know what you're doing, but it gets fairly easy after a while. Here's an example solve. What did I do that for? That was dumb. Okay. And yeah. The next thing to do is like this, where you can do any of these moves. You can turn this, or this, or this, or that. So basically anything along the yellow axis or the orange axis, or whichever colors you want, obviously. So here's an example solve and scramble. Alright, I'd say that's decently messed up. Let's see what we can do. And there. So yeah, that's also pretty simple. Yet another thing you can do is mess it up with three faces. I'll do the primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. So you only turn those faces to mess it up and to solve it. Okay, so yeah, that's decently messed up, and there will be that little block of solvedness. I just hold it by that usually. Okay, here we go. There. Another fun way to do it is to use only 180-degree turns when you scramble it. So, I guess on an actual Rubik's Cube, the green will always be with the blue, yellow always with white, and orange always with red. So, yeah, you just scramble it like that, and then you solve it. By the way, this black piece, that's red, just so you know. So yeah, solved. Here's a hard one. I have not been able to figure this one out. What you do is you hold it by, I guess, 2, and then you turn the big slice each time you make a turn. It's very easy to mess up. It is not at all easy to solve. I definitely don't have the knowledge necessary to be able to do this yet, although I am going on a road trip this summer, and I have a feeling that this will be one of the things that I spend my time doing. Yeah. Of course, course, I'll also do other things. I'm not completely boring. Let me just solve this real quick, the normal way. Oh yeah, you can also solve it with your feet. I'm not going to demonstrate because this is Janelle's cube. I borrowed it while she was at a flute lesson. Actually, she still is at a flute lesson. That's why I'm still using it. Don't tell her, although she'll probably see this video shortly after it's uploaded, but oh well, she can't do anything. I don't think. Plus, I mean, I just graduated. Give me a break.